guys, so today I am here to do a video for you. Stop turning me yellow. Why? Stop. Hey guys, so today I'm here to do a... Hey guys, so thanks so much for... Hey guys, thanks so much for... Why am I saying that? Hey guys, so here today to do a review for you on some stamping nail polish. I have not done a nail polish video in a long time. I'm sorry about that. I just have not had the chance to do my nails. I barely even get the chance to do my makeup, so yeah, I've been focusing on makeup more than nail polish for a while, so I figured this would be a great time to get back to nails. So I have 4 different colors here, and I got these for review from a seller on Wish for me to submit a review on Wish. These do not have like color names like regular polish. They were actually numbered. This one no longer has the sticker, so I can't tell you what the number is on that, but it's a nice neon, and I had to have it because I don't have anything like that, so I wanted that. And this one is a nice purple, like hot neon purple. This one looked a little bit different, I think, on the website. This one's number 39, and it's got some shimmer to it. It's pink, so we'll see how that looks. I thought that was kind of cool. And this one's kind of a pastel turquoise. This is number 333. You know, I'm super... It's turning me super yellow today. So I really like this. Ooh, spooky. You can't really see me, can you? I feel like that gives you more of a true color there. Of these beautiful colors. I am super excited to be able to play with these today. So we're going to stamp over this black shimmery polish that I have on. This hand is jacked. I don't know why. This hand is always like this. So we're going to stamp on my trusty left hand, and we're going to talk about what I think about the polish at the end. So keep on watching if you'd like to see how gorgeous these are. Alright, so we're going to do the stamping over this. I have my right hand as a backup in case anything goes wrong. I'm going to do lime green bats. On my nails. That's the first nail I'm going to do. It does have quite a strong scent. I can tell you that. Alright, so We're going to go with the pointer. So it doesn't show up the best on top of black. It is very, very lime green when you stamp it. So, and it's almost like a pastel lime. So the pigmentation on this one could be better. So now we're going to do the purple. And we're going to do this one on my middle finger. I kind of wish I was using a clear stamper for this one. So hopefully I get the placement right. It's been a while since I've done this. So there is a little skeleton guy. The heart. That one is definitely also hard to see over the black. These would probably be better over lighter colors. That's my consensus so far. Alright, we're going to do the blue. We stamped that a bit too low. It's supposed to be a little skeleton face. Oops. It's my fault. And my pinky, I'm gonna do a spider web in pink. Ooh, look at that pickup. I actually did really good. Hopefully I didn't wait too long. Look at that spider web. I really like that one actually. So those are my nails after stamping with the Born Pretty polish. And I got these from Wish for review. I'm assuming these are 3 newer bottles. This looks like their old logo, which I actually like the old logo better. I think it takes up more space on the bottle and is more pronounced versus this small font. It reminds me of the rebranding that Cirque did. I do not like the new Cirque design either. I like the old one better. But that is what they look like. I guess it would have been better to put these in the order I use them, huh? Well, not the order I use them, but with my fingers. So that is what they look like. I'm gonna go clean these up and come right back. Okay, so it's literally been so long since I've done my nails that I couldn't even find a cleanup brush. The only thing I found was this piece of a broken one that I used to have. So I added some top coat on there, the HK Girl from Glisten and Glow. And yeah, I do like how they turned out overall. They're very subtle though over the black. So definitely do these on top of lighter colors. I would say they were super easy to clean off the skin. I didn't really have any major problems with getting it off. It didn't get really messy like some stamping polishes do, like MDU, Mundo de Unis. Whenever you use nail polish remover on that or acetone, it gets kind of everywhere like paint, and it's really hard to get off. It just kind of like thins it. So it's my fault for forgetting to put latex on my fingers, but this is the result here. I'm definitely liking these colors. I plan on using these quite a bit here in the future. I'm planning on getting back into nail art videos if I can, even if it's just one a month. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like this video if you do like nail videos, so I know that I'm not just, you know, doing these for no reason. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Right before it rains, I'm not